We are now on page 41, lesson 24. Idgham. It means to merge. Idgham without ghunnah means merging without nasalization, without any sound coming from the nose. If after the noon sakin or tanween from the letters of yarmalun, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw and noon, lam or ra appear, then the noon sakin or tanween will be incorporated into the lam or ra, and it will be read without ghunnah. So we will now read the examples. The examples that we have on this page are to do with letter ra and lam, both coming after noon sakin or tanween. So when lam or ra appear, then the noon sakin or tanween will be incorporated into the lam and ra or ra, and it will be read without ghunnah. So the example of that, the first example of ra after the noon sakin or tanween is this: Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. So this tanween here, instead of reading it as Muhammadun Rasulullah, you will not read the noon sakin at all. You will just read the dal with a dhamma here, and then go straight onto the ra with a shadda. So this shadda here on the ra signals that there is idgham, there is merging in here into the ra. So you read it as, instead of reading it as Muhammadun Rasulullah, you read it as Muhammadur Rasulullah. The same example is here. Instead of min rabbika, you will say mir rabbika. So you incorporate fully the noon into the ra. This is called complete merging. Ra'ufur rahimun. You miss out this waw sakin completely because there is dhamma before it. So it's mad asli. Ra'ufur rahimun. Aishatir radiyatin. This noon sakin and tanween here. Aishatir radiyatin. Now the examples of lam coming after the noon sakin or tanween. Instead of reading it as min ladunhu, you read it as min ladunhu. So the lam has a shadda on here. Min ladunhu. Kullun lahu. Kullun lahu. This lun here, the tanween, dhamma tanween, you read it only as a dhamma, and then go into the lam with a shadda straight away. So it's kullun lahu. Yakun lahu. It's not yakun lahu, it's yakun lahu. Rizqan lakum. So this lam here with the shadda on it, you read it as uh, you'll incorporate the noon into the lam here. رزقا لكم. So you read the lam with the shadda. أفل لكم. Not أفن لكم. It's أفل لكم. من لبن. من لبن. من لبن.